Influencer, respected teachers and all my dear friends. A pleasant morning to everyone. My name is Ruksana and she is my friend Upasana. A pleasant morning. We are from 6th standard. Today we are here to present thought of the day activity. Here we go. Our thought is take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. I repeat, take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Over to my friend Upasana.
Thank you, Ruksana. Meaning of thought is life is all about taking risks, making bold decisions, going extra